Hey guys, DSP here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect boiled egg every single time. Now, are there multiple ways to do this? Absolutely, but I'm going to show you this way because it's super easy, it's consistent, and it's worked perfect for me for years now. Okay, let's get started. So take a sauce pot, fill it up about halfway with water. You're going to want to put the lid on it, and then take your stove and crank it up as high as it can go. I want you to get that water boiling, not a strong simmer, not a light boil. I mean rolling, boiling, 212 Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so don't watch the water boil. What I want you to do instead is to get a bowl of ice water ready. So this bowl of ice water plays a vital part in getting perfect boiled eggs. Because did you know one of the main reasons why you're having trouble peeling the shell off the eggs is because either one, the eggs aren't very fresh, or two, you're not shocking them in cold water afterwards. Okay, so this is what we're looking for, a strong rolling boil. You're gonna take your eggs on a slotted spoon. You're gonna go gently, very gently, let the spoon touch the bottom of the pot, and then release your eggs. I'll say it a third time, very gently. Then the lid goes on. I set my timer for 9 minutes. We're gonna talk about that in a moment. And then I turn off the stove. Now all you have to do is let it wait. It's gonna get a little crazy, it's boiling hard, it's gonna calm down. Now just wait 9 minutes, all right? So why 9 minutes? Personally, I want the yolk cooked through, but not hard. I don't want it chalky, I don't want it green. I want it to be still kind of custardy, and with this method, I find 9 minutes to do that perfectly. If you're looking for a soft boiled egg for like ramen, maybe 6 minutes, maybe 6.5 would be perfect for that. If you're looking to make deviled eggs, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 10.5, 11 minutes. Little 30-second, 1-minute increments will make a huge difference with something like an egg yolk. Okay, y'all, so 9 minutes has passed. I used the slotted spoon to take the eggs out, and they're in the ice now. Pro tip, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna just kind of tap it, and put it right back in the ice. That ice water is gonna get inside the shell, help it cool down a little faster. It's gonna make peeling it that much easier. Okay, everyone, moment of truth now. You see this egg? Peeled perfectly, smooth, shiny. Let's cut it open. And would you look at that? Fully cooked, still custardy, perfect. A little salt, a little pepper, get your protein up.